Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa. I am so happy to be back. It's been so long since I've come in front of the camera. As you all know, I'm a new mom and it's been a real struggle to be able to balance time for myself, for the shoot and for the baby. Currently she's sleeping, so I have some time to do the shoot. So let's not delay further. Today I'm going to make a very simple Assamese snack. It's called a Kordoi. It actually means carambola or a star fruit because it resembles a star fruit. And let's go ahead and do it. So to make this, you will be requiring an all-purpose flour, or you can make use of multi-grain flour like I am using. I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy. To that you add a little bit of salt, then you add the jeera, some coriander, grated carrots, and then you can add ghee, a lot of ghee, and some Carrom Seeds, and of course finely chopped onions. Make sure that your onions are chopped properly, not a bit too chunky. Now give it a good mix and add a little bit of water, and remember it has to be a dough and not a batter. After you're done kneading the dough, make sure that you let the dough rest for at least 20 minutes. After the dough has rested, make sure that you knead the dough again before you roll them into small balls. Kordois is a tasty deep fried snack, which is why I'm making use of multi-grain flour, as I'm trying to compensate and make a balance. I have put on so much weight during this lockdown, it's not funny. All I do is eat. Have you guys been snacking, or is it just me? Anyway, what you need to do now is roll the dough into small round balls, as many as you can. And then you need to flatten it out by using a rolling pin. And don't worry about the shape. I know it's hard to get a round shape, especially if you're not an expert like me who's just a rookie. So remember, it's the taste that matters and not the shape. Cut incisions, a few incisions, maybe 5 or 6, and then roll it out starting from the edge, and make sure that after you're done rolling, you bind the ends so that it does not break open when you are deep frying them. Do the same thing for the rest of the balls as well. So I'm done rolling out the Kordois to the best of my ability. Now let's deep fry them. This snack is a very delicious snack and is usually made during festive occasions like Bihu. And if you have Assamese friends, which I'm sure you do, you would have definitely tasted the Kordoi. It's absolutely delicious. You can make amazing dips to go along with the Kordoi, like a spicy tamarind chutney or tomato chutney or pudina chutney, but I didn't have the time and I got lazy, so I'm enjoying mine with peri peri sauce. That's my reflector falling. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Until then, take care.